Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a unique credit account online. First, go to the official UniCredit website and select Open a new account. Choose the type of account you want, checking, savings, or student. Next, enter your personal information like your full name, date of birth, address, email, phone number, and tax or ID number. Make sure it matches your official documents. UniCredit will ask you to verify your identity. You can do this by uploading a photo of your passport or ID and taking a selfie for face verification. Finally, review your details, accept the terms and conditions, and submit. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification about your application. And that's it! Your UniCredit account is now set up. And that's how to open a UniCredit account online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.